Hello everyone, welcome to TeknoDestek channel. On this video, I will tell you how you can change your Zyxel P660N T1A modem settings. First, you have to connect your modem to your computer or phone, and then you have to go websites like 192.168.1.1. After you go here, you will see this login page. Shifre is your password. To password, you have to type ttnet or 1234. After you type it, you have to click on Sisteme giriş. It's mean like login. So you have to log in it. On this page, you will see new password. So you can change your password of modem. If you don't want to change it, you can just click on vazgeç. It's like skip. And after you skip this, you will get new page. On this new page, you will see at the left side A. So you have to click on A. After that, there is geniş alan A. So you have to press on this geniş alan A. On this page, you have to type your username and password in here. Your username and password, you have to get it from your internet service. After you get your username and password, you have to write it in here. Kullanıcı adı is your username, şifre is your password. You have to type it and click on uygula button. It's mean like save. So you have to click on this. If you want to change your wireless passwords and wireless name, you have to click on A again, and in here, kablosuz A. You have to choose this. After you choose this, in here, you will see isim SSID. It's your kablosuz A adı. It's your username of your wireless. You can type anything in here, whatever you like. And kablosuz şifre is your password of your Wi-Fi. You can change it. After you change it, you have to click on uygula. So it will confirm, and after that your internet Wi-Fi password and name will change too. So after you do all of them, your internet will start to work and everything will be okay. If you have any problem or any question, you can call 11858 call center. If you call this number, they will help you about your problems. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it. Have a good day. Bye.